Hello, blessed Pentecost Sunday to all of us. Today is June 8, 2025, Sunday. Ngayon po yung kapistahan ng Pentecost at saka yung Holy Spirit nga po sa mga dumapo sa mga disciples at hindi po yung unang pag-build sa Catholic Church. Yun po yung sineselebrate natin ngayong araw na to. I hope napagsimba na po tayo po si Church, Bright Coffee Church sa Tablang Pavilion. Dito po ako sa Mary Help of Christians Parish National Shrine, and I just attended the Mass, the 3 p.m. Mass. Mamaya pa magsulo ako 5 p.m. Mass. May presentation sa blessing ng parish servants mamaya 7 p.m. Again, I hope mapagsimba na po tayo, although staying outside, I hope safe po tayo. Again, blessed Pentecost and yung Holy Church. Pinaan natin, sineselebrate natin yung araw nito. Again, this is Charlie, Bright Coffee Church, Tablang Pavilion. May God bless, protect, and guide us always.